Goodbye, Drury. Yes, it's early Sunday morning. Well, maybe not that early. Everybody's still here, so I guess it's kind of early. We are packed. Truck is full. Well, not really that way either. We dropped off a bunch of junk. So anyway, we're out of here. Heading to Nashville today. Going to spend the night at my place there in Nashville and then on to North Carolina in the morning. Let's wash the windows and get the heck out of here. You can see everybody touching my truck. You can see the handprints. Oh well, it's a truck. Hello and good morning. We are leaving Huntsville, Alabama. The destination, Nashville, Tennessee today. It's a short run, about 100 miles. We're leaving with 55%, or you miles folks, 168 miles. That'll get us all the way to a mid-charging stop at about 50 miles. We'll charge up a little bit and head to Nashville. Gonna spend the night and head out in the morning to North Carolina. We've had a good time. Greg, what do you think of our trip this time here to Huntsville and the ham events and all that stuff?
It's been a great trip. We had a lot of fun, saw our friends, did some shopping in the flea market, ate too much food, and just had an overall good time.
I agree. It was a good trip here. We had friends come down from Ohio, and overall it was just super. All right, let's head to Nashville. Navigate to Nashville, Tennessee. See where the nav takes us. Yeah, look at that. It's going to take us to city center. Remember, when you navigate to a city, it just picks city center. You can put an address in if you wish. I just did that for us today to get us down the road. Let's see where it's going to take us. Yep. So let's have a look. Now, I will say, look, it's 164 miles, but it's really 109 miles of trip. Technically, do we need to charge? No, not really. We haven't charged much. Last night we charged a little, and I think we could just go for it. There's plenty of charging along the way, so we're heading to Nashville. Let's go. We're making our way through the city, kind of going northwest. You get on Highway 53 here. Takes us up to Interstate 65. Looks like everybody's sleeping. That's a good thing.
Continue on Alabama 53 north for 5 miles.
5 miles, okay. And that'll take us up to the Interstate 65. And I think lunches or breakfast is coming up here. Yes, country out here. Look at that. Yeah, well, we'll do this since since we've got awesome steering. Watch this now. Look at that.
Oh my.
Golly, do that in another vehicle. Wow. All right there, fine sir. They have breakfast bagels. You know, the only problem with that, it's harder to eat in the car. I don't know. Uh-oh. What are you doing there?
Water.
Oh, okay. Anyway, we're here getting a Scottish breakfast. We're at 52 miles, or 152 miles, or 51%. And our arrival now is 14%. It's awesome. I think we'll be just fine. Look at that. You get a job here, Greg.
Yeah.
Maybe we can get some free Egg McMuffins or something. We have Scottish breakfast. We're now heading that way. It's a nice little highway here. What is it? Highway 52 or 3? Something like that.
I think it's 53.
Just going through this little tiny town. But the good part is that at a McDonald's, what's that say? Harvest, Alabama. I guess that's appropriate. We're here in the middle of farmland. Yeah, see all the houses? I think those are maybe the suburbs out here. Maybe you can see them a little better if I do that. Anyway, Here we are, just heading that way. We're just entering the town of Ardmore, Tennessee. That means we will cross over here any minute. Wow, look at that old place. Isn't that cool? All right, well, anyway, we should be in Tennessee, and how we can tell, of course, is, if I don't drop the phone, is the road changes. Yeah, the surface will change based upon whatever. Maybe we get a little view of Ardmore, some of the original houses here. Wonder if a Cybertruck's ever been in Ardmore? You never know. Let me open this up a little bit. Maybe you guys can see a little bit more of Ardmore here. Hey, look at that. A Scottish breakfast in Ardmore. TNT beer and tobacco. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, this place has been here a little while.
Yeah, so.
Got new stuff mixed with older stuff. It's kind of neat. A little Sonic and a place to get your car parts. And a gigantic McDonald's sign. Wow, bigger than everything here. Let's see here now. Look at that, Taco Bell and the Colonel. See, I would bet most of you folks have never been to Ardmore, Tennessee. I can safely say I've never been to Ardmore, Tennessee. So if I haven't been here, you guys haven't been here, that's for sure. Russell Auto Sales, that's cool. Got a bank and other stuff. Hey, look at this. This is downtown. Hobbs. You know what another name for Hobbs is? Yeah, you do. Hobbs End. All right, going under railroad track. Very cool. Welcome to Ardmore. Very nice. And that may have been it. The what you call it, Greg? Can you bring up satellite view there? Yeah, I'm just going through fried tomato buffet. Yeah, that's what I'm going to next trip through. That's for sure.
Probably good.
It's a bigger town than I thought. I figured we'd just click right through it, but no. Kiss your wait goodbye in a Dairy Queen building. Okay.
All right. Whatever.
That's what I say. Whatever. All right. Back up to 45. Rick's Barbecue. Yeah, that's what we need. You just passed us. Bankston Motorhomes. Okay. That's a good thing because we don't need any motorhomes.
There you saw it.
Yep. Well, I do believe we're in Tennessee. If you shrink up the screen there and see where that dotted line is, Greg.
Found it, yeah.
All right. Well, we're just getting out of town here now. While we manage with the map, see where we actually are, I'll let you know. Dog Day Flea Market. There you go. Take Hank and Luna. All right, got some older buildings here. It's kind of cool. And we're doing 55 and a 45, and everybody's all hot to trot. So I guess that's what you do here in Tennessee. We're now northbound Interstate 65. Looks like 82 miles to go. Arrival of 18%. Just tooling down the road here. And yes, we are in Tennessee. We passed it just before we got on to the highway here. got something in mind for us for sure. I have to get over. Somebody wants to ride right next to me, so we don't want to do that. Just over here. There we go. Yeah, we're going right beside Nashville, downtown. You can see all the goodies. It's a growing city, let me tell you. There's the Nissan Stadium. Not sure what's going to happen when they go bankrupt, if it's the ex-Nissan Stadium, I don't know. We're just about ready to get off the highway system here and onto surface streets. I'll pick you up once I arrive there in Nashville. I made it to Nashville, and what am I going to do? This is what we do. You take it when you arrive. You open the hatch and you plug it in, and it'll turn green as soon as it's happy and charge your car. That's as hard as it is with an electric car or Cybertruck.